Good morning or good afternoon. Okay, grade 2's last one, AP students. We are now in science subject. Okay, with teacher Yui and teacher Jasmine. Hello students, grade 2's last one. Today we're going to study about classifying the animals according to each group. Again, classifying the animals according to each group. Okay, students, we have here the pictures. Okay, we have here the animals. Okay, we are going to classify it according to, we have here, whether they have bones or not. Okay, when we say bones, that means those animals that having bones in their body, like lion, like horse, snake, and many others. But there are some that do not have bones in their body, like we have jellyfish, we have spiders, also some mosquitoes. Okay, so they don't have any bones in their bodies, but there are some of them that their outer body covering are hard, but inside of them there is no bone. Okay, next, here, type of body covering. When we say covering, that means it covers our body. There are some animals have feathers, there are some have scales, there are some have fur. Okay, so what are those animals that cover by feather? Okay, they are like uh, birds, like chicken, like turkey, like peacock. Those are the animals that cover by feather. Next, how about the animals that cover by scale? Okay, so like snake, they are covered by scale. Like fish, like crocodile. So those are the examples of the animals covered by scales. How about fur or hair? Okay, the animals that covered by fur are like dogs, bear, squirrel, and horse, and also the rat. Okay, so those are the example of different kind animals that are covered by according to its kind. Okay, next, how, how they reproduce. Okay, when we say reproduce, how these animals give life to their youngs. Okay, there are some that are laying eggs. There are some that are giving birth. Okay, when they deliver on this world, in this world, they are alive already. So that is giving birth. Okay, so the example of the animals that are giving birth are, um, we can say, horse, cat. Okay, there are giraffe. Okay, we can say also the dog, the fox, the bear. So those are the animals that giving birth. And also the animals that laying eggs. Okay, the example of them are chicken, turkey, frog, like crocodile, or then the alligator, and then also lizard, and also ostrich. So those are the animals that are laying eggs. But there are some birds that are giving birth, like penguin. Actually, they are belong to the birds, but they cannot fly, but they are giving birth, they are not laying eggs. Okay, so the other one is how they move. How they move. So when we say move, that means there are some animals that walk. Okay, walk. There are some run. There are some can fly. There are some can glide. There are some can hop. There are some can crawl. Okay, what are the animals that can walk? Okay, like um, cat, also the monkey, okay, and also um, the buffalo, and also the cow. All of them can walk, but at the same time they can run, and also they can hop if they like to uh, fast to have move fast. They do no longer um, what is this running, but instead they are hopping already. Okay, and the animals that can fly like birds, chicken, okay, like turkey, those are animals that have feathers. And also the animals that can swim, okay, like fish, like hippo, they can swim, but actually they can walk, run, and hop too. Also like the frog, they can walk, they can hop, but they can swim too. Like also the turtle, they can crawl, they can they can swim too. Okay, but the snake, they can glide. Okay, but they can swim too in the on the water. Understand, students? So we classify them according to the bones, body covering, how they reproduce, and how they move. Okay, as we go on, we're going to answer some of our exercises. Okay, here, okay, we have here, this is, we can see this on our science workbook. Okay, in our science workbook, we can see this on page 73. Okay, it is said here, we're going to circle the animals that lay eggs. Lay eggs. Okay, what are the animals that lay eggs? Oh, it's not a dog. It's not a cow. What is this? Okay, this one you are going to circle. This one is a chicken. This one also a chicken. This one a duck. This one fish. Also this one the frog. So these are the animals that lay eggs. Understand, students? But some of these, okay, what is this? These birds too. So they lay eggs. So you are going to circle. Understand? Next, we have here, okay, on page 74. Okay, it is said here on activity 1, classify these living things into plants or animals. Okay, we have here the crab and daisy. Crab, what is that? So as we can say, that is animal, and daisy is for the plants. Okay, how about coconut and deer? So coconut is a plant and the deer is an animal. Okay, so coconut, deer. Next, how about this fern and dolphin? Okay, the fern is, okay, this one is under the plant and dolphin is under animals. Okay, next, how about this one? This is a cabbage and this one is a horse. Okay, a cabbage belong to the group of plants, and then this horse is belongs to the group of animals. Okay, so next, this one, squirrel and eel, they are belong to animals. With plant and papaya tree, they are belong to the plants. Understand? So again, plants, daisy, coconut, fern, cabbage, with papaya tree. Animals are crab, deer, dolphin, horse, squirrel, and eel. So they belong under the group of animals. Okay. Next, we have here, we're going to write true or false. So, true or false. We have here an exercise number 2. Okay, we have A. All plants produce flower. False. False. Because not all the plants are producing flowers. Number 2. B. Letter B rather. Plants can make their own food. What is your answer? Okay, as we studied already that one, that is true. Okay, true. How about letter C? Strawberries are fruits that can be eaten. Oh, do you understand that? Strawberries are fruits that can be eaten. Okay, the answer is true. Okay, because we can eat strawberries. Next, how about letter D? The coconut tree is a water plant. Coconut tree. No, because when we say water plant, that means they live in the water, but coconut is not. Okay, so the answer is false. Number 3, activity. Put a tick in the boxes for those animals that give birth to their young. Okay, we have here lizard, fox, and then cockroach. As we know, so lizard, no, because they lay eggs. Cockroach, no, because they lay eggs. So here, in this first box, we have only one answer. Okay, the fox. Okay, the fox, okay, give birth to their young. How about the second box? The second box. Okay, as we can see, frog they are laying eggs. How about sheep and dolphin? Okay, sheep, they give birth to their young. Okay, how about the dolphin? Okay, yes, they give birth to their young. Question. Okay, if you have a question next time, just tell teacher Jasmine. Okay, next is students, as we can see the pictures. Okay, we have this on page workbook on page 77. Okay, it is said here, cross out the one that does not belong to the group. So we have here penguin, parakeet, seal, and ostrich. As we can see, penguin is a bird, parakeet is a bird, ostrich is a bird. How about the seal? Is it a bird? No. So we're going to cross out this number 3. Cross out because it does not belong to the group. So cross out number 3. Next, we have here fish, fish. And this one is a shrimp. So that means number 2 is not belong in the group. Okay, so cross this number 2. Here, cross number 3. How about here in number 3 box? So, we have here bird, flies, bat, and then a turtle. As we can see, all of these 3, 1, 2, 3, all of them can fly. But this turtle cannot, cannot, cannot fly. Okay, so what is the answer? Number 4. Okay, understand, students? Okay.